Okay, I'm going to show you how to add a clickable link to a Canva PDF. This is obviously super important to be able to take people from the page they're on directly to a website that you're referring to, or maybe a product that you are set up as an affiliate for. And so it's a couple of just quick, easy steps. So we'll go ahead and typically you would just choose whatever it is that you want to work on. We'll go ahead and come down here to a project that I'm already working on. And so what we'll do is on this freebie that we offer here, we'll go ahead and add a link down here at the bottom. Okay, and so what you want to do is come over here, click on text, and then you can choose any style text that you want to do. I'll just do the basic one. Click on it once, and you can see it came up here. You want to wait for this cross to appear to be able to move this down to where you want it to go. So we're going to take this down here. And I'm just going to type in click here for more freebies. Okay, so we'll go ahead and space that out a little bit. Just going to highlight it and make it look a little bit nicer. Bold it, maybe turn it red. And then what I'll do is right click. So you're going to right click on it. So you want to make sure that you're not right clicking. See how there's a border around this whole page? You don't want to right click on this whole page. You want to right click on this. So see how we have the border around it now. So go ahead and click on that once, and then right click on it, and you'll see that there's the link feature. So we'll go ahead and click on that link. Now where do we want to take them? We're going to go here to bosspros.com and go ahead and copy that. And then we'll come here and paste that in and just push enter or return, and you'll see up here it says link added. Okay, so now from here you can decide, do we want to come up here and maybe if we don't like it being underlined, we can remove that underline there if we want. And so now for this link to be able to actually be clicked on, we need to go through and save it. So we'll come up here to share, and we'll click on share, and then we're going to go to download. Okay, and it needs, for it to be a clickable link, you need to click right here and take it to a PDF. Okay, you can do either one of these PDFs. We'll just do the standard one. And then we'll go ahead and download it. And so now we'll go ahead and test it out and click on it. And you can see it takes us here to our Boss Pros page. And then of course you can come down here and click on the freebies. So that's it. That is how you create a link for a PDF. And super important, great way to be able to generate cash and bring people to the sites that you are trying to get them to.